The 2027 Mazda MX-5 Miata stands as a definitive statement in a rapidly changing automotive landscape. As the industry moves aggressively toward total electrification and heavy, tech-laden SUVs, Mazda's iconic roadster remains a defiant celebration of the Jinba Ittai philosophy. The concept of horse and rider is one. The 2027 model represents the pinnacle of the Northeast generation, balancing modern efficiency with the lightweight, analog soul that has defined the Miata for nearly 4 decades. Visually, the 2027 Miata is an evolution of the Kodo design language, but with a sharper, more athletic edge. The silhouette remains unmistakably Miata: short overhangs, a long hood, and a seating position pushed back toward the rear axle. However, the 2027 model introduces ultra-slim LED signature lighting that creates a more aggressive face, while the body surfacing is cleaner, using light and shadow to create a sense of motion even when parked. Aerodynamic efficiency has been improved through subtle integrated channels in the front fascia and a revised rear diffuser, ensuring the car remains stable at higher speeds without needing a bulky, distracting wing. Under the hood, the 2027 Miata introduces a sophisticated 48-volt mild hybrid powertrain. Mazda engineers have managed the impossible, adding electrification without sacrificing the car's legendary sub-2 500 lb curb weight. The heart of the car is a high-compression 2.0-liter Skyactiv-X engine, paired with a small electric motor that provides instantaneous torque fill at low RPMs. This combination ensures that the throttle response is telepathic, mimicking the feel of a larger naturally aspirated engine while significantly reducing emissions and improving fuel economy. For the purists, the 6-speed manual transmission remains the standard offering. It features even shorter throws and a more mechanical, notched feel, reminding the driver that they are an integral part of the machine. A refined automatic transmission with lightning-fast paddle shifts is available for those who prioritize lap times, but the manual remains the soul of the 2027 model. The 2027 Miata's chassis is a masterclass in weight distribution and rigidity. Through the increased use of high-strength aluminum and carbon fiber reinforced plastics in non-structural areas, the car feels stiffer and more responsive than ever before. The suspension geometry has been tweaked to offer a more compliant ride on rough city streets while maintaining the razor-sharp turn-in and body-lean feedback that allows drivers to feel exactly where the limit of grip lies. Inside, the 2027 Miata focuses on subtractive aesthetics. The dashboard is low and slim, maximizing the view of the road. A new, high-resolution digital instrument cluster provides essential data without clutter, while a tactile rotary controller manages the infotainment system, keeping the driver's eyes on the horizon. The seats are more ergonomic, featuring a new human-centric frame that supports the spine during spirited cornering, finished in premium, sustainable materials. The 2027 Mazda MX-5 Miata is not just a car, it is a promise kept. It proves that even in an age of automation and batteries, there is still a place for a lightweight, rear-wheel drive convertible that values the joy of the journey over the statistics of the destination. It remains the world's favorite roadster, refined for a new generation but unchanged in its heart.